Everyone, so I am back. A few months ago, I started learning Emirati Arabic and even I uploaded some few videos about my progress here on my YouTube channel. But then life happened and I paused it. Now I have started again or have picked up from where I left, slowly, casually, and just for fun. So if you're interested, come let's pick it up from where we left and let's learn Emirati Arabic together. So I am not a teacher or fluent or anything like that. I am just learning and sharing what I pick it up as I go. If you're also learning Arabic or you've been thinking about it, maybe you can learn with me. In this video, I want to share 5 commonly used Arabic words that I keep hearing and also I started using them by myself. These words are commonly used everywhere. Whenever I'm out there, I cannot miss to hear these 5 words. Let's go. As they say in Arabic, Yalla. So the first word is Yalla. Yalla means hurry up or let's go. That is commonly used. Everywhere I go, I hear Yalla, Yalla habibi, Yalla, 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 Yalla. So let's use in a sentence so at least we can be able to understand. So I will be checking some few examples that I made it for myself at least to be able to understand. So the first one is Yalla, we are going to the mall. I mean, like, this is a mixture of English and Arabic. So let's say, for example, Yalla, we are going to the mall. You sound Arabic already. Yeah. Another example is Yalla, let's eat. Yalla, habibi, let's eat. Yalla, Yalla, let's go and eat. Okay, another one, Yalla, let's finish this video. I'm not finishing this video now, I just started, but that is just one of the examples I made. I have more examples here, like for example, Yalla, we are getting late. Let's go. Okay. Yalla, finish your work. Yalla, finish your work. Quickly, Bisura. Okay. Yalla, don't be shy, Abibi. Don't be shy. Yalla, yalla. Okay. Yalla, I'm tired. Yalla, I'm tired. So, I mean, like you're mixing English and Arabic. I mean, most of the time I hear the local people nowadays they talk mixing Arabic and English. So it makes it no one will even know that you are not Arabic. So when you say, Yalla, let's go. Yalla, let's eat. Sometimes also I have noticed some people use Yalla when they are ending the call. Like for example, Yalla, bye. Okay, or maybe when they are annoyed, like Yalla, bye. You know. So I feel like it can work both ways. That is what I've noticed. Yeah. So when people are ending the call, they say like instead of saying okay bye, they say Yalla bye, Yalla bye, ma salama. The second word that is commonly used here in UAE is halas, 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 halas. Okay, so this word I just found out that it means a lot of things. Like for example, it means I am done, okay, enough, or stop it, or it's over. Okay, so it can mean a lot of things depending on the situation. Okay, so or how you say it. All right. So for example, one example is Halas, I'm tired. Halas, I'm like I am tired. Okay. Another example is class. I'm not going to reply to him anymore. Like I am done. I'm not going to respond to him anymore. Class. I'm not going to respond anymore. Okay. Another example is class. I already ate. Class. I already ate. That is if you're being offered food and you want to say thank you. I am okay. Say class. I already ate. Okay. And then what else? Let me see if I have other examples. Class, let's go. Okay, let's go. You're down here. Let's go. Okay. Another class, leave it. Maybe if it's something you can just say, don't worry about it. Class, leave it. Okay, let us go. Another one is class. I'm not doing it. I'm done. I'm done here. Okay, class. I'm not going to do it. Yeah. Those are just my personal examples, for me to be able to understand. And I feel like maybe you will understand as well. Let me know in the comment section below if you're actually understanding what I mean. Let's see 2 examples. Okay. Class, stop calling me. Class, stop calling me. Don't disturb me. Class, stop. Okay. The last example is class, she made her decision. Class, don't bother her anymore. She made her decision. Okay. So those are some of the examples that I managed to make using the word class. This word is mostly used like every day. Whenever I'm at work, whenever I'm out there, I cannot miss to hear this word. Okay. So every time, class, bye, Ma salama. Khalas. The third word I've learned also is habibi or habibti. First of all, habibi refers to a male, habibti refers to a female. And all this means my love, my dear, or hey friend, so it can mean the three. Or maybe it has many meanings, but most the things the ones that I've learned is my dear, my love, my friend. So let's see how it's used in a sentence. Okay, I have some few examples. Okay, like for example, thank you, Habibi. Shukran, Habibi. That is like if I'm going to talk Arabic fully, like Shukran, Habibi. Shukran, Habibti. Like thank you, my love. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my dear. Okay. Another thing, Habibti. How are you today? Habibti, as I mentioned, Habibti means female. Habibti, how are you today? If you're going to talk like full Arabic, you can say Habibti, كيف حالك اليوم? Habibti, كيف حالك اليوم? That's what I found Arabic, right? Because greetings in Arabic will come to that. We'll just revise that one later. Greeting is Assalamu alaikum, kifa halik, So don't worry about that. But today we are learning about the using of the word, about the use of the word habibi, habibti. Another example using this word is come here, habibi, I will help you. Come here, habibi, I will help you. Come here, habibi, I will help you. Come here, habibti, I will help you. Okay? Habibti, you look amazing. Like if you're complimenting someone, say Habibti, you look amazing. Beautiful in Arabic is Jamila. Habibti, enti Jamila. Habibti, enti Jamila. That is if you're going to talk like fully Arabic. But on this case, we're just learning how to use the word Habibti. Okay? So Habibti, you look amazing. Okay? Let me see if I have other examples. Okay, like for example, Habibti, I missed you. Okay, if you have friends who are Arabic or you want to practice using this word with anyone else, say Habibti, I missed you. Okay, or you want to console, you say it's okay, Habibti, don't worry. It's okay, Habibti, don't worry. Okay, all right. That is, I'm just these are examples using Habibti. Okay, take your time, Habibti. Take your time. Relax, Habibti. Okay? And then let's see for Habibi. Okay? You can also say, relax, Habibi. Everything will be fine. Relax, Habibi. Okay? Or another one using Habibi is Habibi, you forgot your phone. Habibi, you forgot your phone. And then another example using Habibi is, I told you already, Habibi. I told you already, Habibi. Okay? Last one, come on, Habibi, don't be late. Come on, Habibi, don't be late. So if you use these words like you're mixing English and Arabic, you will sound Arabic in some way already because most of the locals here, they use actually English and Arabic. So if you mix them here and there and, as you continue learning, it's kind of like fun. So as I mentioned, I'm just learning Arabic for fun and also, to get to know how to communicate in Arabic. But more so, let's have fun. We are not stressing ourselves. We are not learning long Arabic words, just little by little and having fun, okay? So yeah, I think those are the only examples I have using Habibi, which means female, and Habibti for female. That means my dear, my love, hey my friend. So yeah, comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you have other examples of, or is there any other word that means Habibi or Habibti in Arabic. I'm learning Emirati Arabic by the way, so if you have any other word with other dialect, that will be fine. You can comment here in the comment section. Another commonly used word is inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. How it's written is inshallah, 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 which means God willing or hopefully, hopefully. Okay, so like in English, like God willing, something will happen. God willing, I will do this. Yeah, so let's see examples using the word inshallah. Okay, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, by the way. Inshallah, 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 inshallah or inshallah. Okay, anyway, um, my first example is I'll visit my family next month, inshallah. I'll visit my family next month, inshallah. Okay, so that means hopefully I'll be visiting, or God willing, I'll be visiting my family. Okay. Another example using the word inshallah is inshallah I'll pass. Inshallah I'll pass my driving test. Inshallah, God willing, I'll pass my driving test. Inshallah, I will pass my driving test. Okay. Another example is inshallah will reach 5,000 subscribers. Inshallah, we will reach 5,000 subscribers. I'm very hopeful. I'm crossing fingers, okay? Inshallah, we will reach 5,000 subscribers. Yeah? Okay, inshallah. So, inshallah, I will finish it by tomorrow. If you have project or if you have something you're doing, say, inshallah, I'll finish it by tomorrow. Another example is, inshallah, everything goes well. God willing, everything goes well. Yeah? Alright, she said she will come inshallah. She said she will come inshallah. You don't know, maybe she will come, maybe she will not. So what I have noticed using this word, okay, it might mean no or yes. I've noticed most of the locals here, they never say no when they mean they will not do something, okay? They normally say inshallah. Like for example, if I owe someone money or someone owe you money and say, are you going to pay me tomorrow? If you hear someone says inshallah, know that maybe yes or no, they will pay you. They will not say yes or no. They will say inshallah. Okay. Like for example, if you are talking to someone about something and you really need it to be done like urgently, or maybe you need help from something. If you hear these Arabic people say inshallah, they've said no or maybe they've said yes. It's 50-50. You never know what actually they mean. So you just, at the back of your mind, just prepare yourself about maybe they say yes or maybe no. And if by, for example, tomorrow it's not done, that means you just tell yourself it meant no. Okay? So they'll say inshallah. Bukra, inshallah. They'll say tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, bukra means tomorrow. So you ask someone something, are you going to pay me, are you able to pay me tomorrow? You say, inshallah. That one, forget about it. Forget about that money. Maybe they will pay or maybe they will not pay. So, but 99% they will not pay tomorrow. It might be another time, but not tomorrow. That is how I understand. By the way, if you understand more about inshallah when you are requesting something, or for example, in this context, I'm using like someone asking to be paid money. When they say inshallah, most of the time it's no. Yeah, yeah. That's what I got to understand as I continue learning this word. Okay, so yeah, if as I said, if someone says inshallah, you already know it's a no. They are not going to pay you tomorrow. Yeah. Otherwise, let's interact in the comment section. I think those are the only examples I managed to make using the word inshallah, which means God willing or hopeful. The fifth word of today, or the last word but not least, is mashallah. Mashallah. Okay. In a simple word, mashallah means wow or beautiful. Okay. Like for example, it can be used for admiration or appreciation, or you're appreciating someone. But in actually the real meaning is what God has willed, because it comes from the word mashallah. Mashallah. Don't confuse between mashallah and inshallah. They're almost the same. They're almost, they almost sound the same. Inshallah, mashallah. Okay, don't confuse about that. So this is mashallah. Okay, let me give you some examples that I managed to make. For example, mashallah, your baby is cute. Mashallah, your baby is cute. Okay. Another example is wow, mashallah. That view is amazing. Wow, mashallah. The view is amazing. Okay. Another interesting one. Mashallah, you speak Arabic now. Ha. Guess who can speak Arabic now? Mashallah, you speak Arabic now? You're asking, ask me. Say in the comment, please comment down in the comment. Mashallah, Kathy, you speak Arabic now? And then wait for my response, okay? Another example is your house is so nice, mashallah. Your house is so nice, mashallah. Or your house is so beautiful, mashallah. Okay. I have more examples for us. I'm trying to make a lot of examples for me to be able to understand. And if there is anyone out there who is also following me and wanted to learn Arabic, I remember there is someone who commented before when I was when I was practicing the last time that I should be doing more of this, short Arabic language. So maybe he's there or she's there. At least he will be able to follow and understand. Okay. So more examples using the word mashallah. Okay. She got a promotion, mashallah. Like for example, you're talking with anyone, your colleague, and say, mashallah, she got promotion. Yeah. He bought a new car, mashallah. He bought a new car, mashallah. Okay. Another example, you're doing great, mashallah. You're doing great, mashallah. Okay. How would you respond if someone is like appreciating you or telling you, mashallah, you look amazing? How you respond? Definitely you say thank you, which is shukran in Arabic. Okay. And if you already following me, we learn about habibi or habibti. You can say shukran habibi. Shukran habibti. If someone say you look amazing, mashallah, you say shukran habibti. Shukran habibi. You're already speaking Arabic. I'm telling you, like, yeah, I'm already speaking. So yeah. So I think those are the few examples that I'm able to make using the word mashallah. I mean, like you can use it in any way. For my understanding, you can make your sentence and you can just put it, either in the last of the sentence or in the middle or in the start of the sentence. Mashallah, you look amazing. Or you can say, you look amazing, mashallah. So it's still what you say. Yeah. Yeah, I think that is it about the word mashallah. Okay. Mashallah, I cannot speak Arabic. So as I end this video, let's go over them one more time, okay? So far we've learned yalla, which means let's go, okay? Khalas, khalas. I hope I'm pronouncing it. Khalas, which means enough or stop. Habibi or habibti, which means my dear, my love, or hey friend. Inshallah, which means God willing. And the last one is mashallah, which means wow or beautiful. So I'm still learning and probably I've made a couple of mistakes here and there during this video. Hey, but I'm trying. I'm trying. Okay. Correct me slowly. Yeah. Okay. So if you're learning Emirati Arabic or if you're interested in learning Arabic, join me. Let's learn this language together. Comment down below. Let me know what you like to learn or if there is anything that you like to add on this video. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching up to this end and I hope to see you in the next video. In Arabic, they say, Yalla bye habibi. Yalla bye habibti. Ma salama. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.